Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Happy holidays, happy Christmas when it comes. So I'm going to show you guys how I install my wig. This is a wig that I recently colored. It was meant to be beige blonde, but it came out like this. The reason for that I think is because I previously dyed it black and then I dyed it brown. Then from that brown it turned to this once I bleached it and then applied the color. Anyways, I'm gonna install this wig. For me, I find it so useless me installing my wig because I don't keep it on for more than a day. I don't sleep with it, so I'm gonna try and sleep with it on. I have to figure out a way how I can sleep in my wigs without feeling irritable. So as you can see, this is a lace, right? I got this from Aliexpress. The vendor name that I got it from was Alipearl. They're the one telling you the hair is quality. Look at this. I dyed it like what, 3 times now. And look at it. It's still quality hair, okay? Money worth spent. So definitely I will get my wig from Alipearl again, but this time I want to get blonde and dye it in the grey colour. Anyways, I'm gonna use my Ebony tinted lace in medium dark brown. This right here, yeah. So yeah, this right here is the magic. If you want your lace to be looking so real natural, spray some of this on your lace wig inside. I apply mine inside, and yeah, it be blending, okay? It be laying. So this is the color. I don't place the wig cap on because yeah, I don't. It was a bit tight. So I'm gonna find the 2 ends. You know, as well guys, I also cut my lace wrong. So I have to do what I got to do with it. I'm not gonna put any section at the moment until afterwards. I'm just gonna curl my hair back. Okay, I'm just gonna use the Got to Be spray, like on the comb, just spray it like that on both sides. Then you're gonna use this to quickly comb these hair back because these flyaways. You just brush, comb into place. Alright, and even right here I've got like holes in it because I accidentally tweezed the lace and it has a hole now, which is whatever because it can always make it work anyway, so I'm not gonna watch that. So I'm gonna curl out the hair now because I'm gonna curl it with the, I'm gonna use the what do you call them rollers. It's not, what's it called? I'll show you in a minute guys. Put this back. So I'm placing this back so I can look at the flow. Oh, you dumb. Oh my gosh. No, the silicone mix is like, what the heck? No, this is my hair guys. Like, this is my hair forever, okay? And this is my hair forever. Like, I can't believe it. So I'm gonna spray around here. So I want to do literally below my hair. And then I'm going to work around the front. So I do this all at once because I want it to be dry and I only use like 1 coat of the spray. I don't apply a second unless I need to. I'm going to place this one first. So as I'm doing this, as I'm placing it down, I'm combing it back so that it's laid properly, and then I'm gonna make sure my ear is not in the way. I'm gonna literally place my finger down at the end and keep combing. As for this, I'm gonna put it up with my hip showing and then put it down. Oh my gosh. I should have the grip, guys, to do this because I don't know why my hair is maybe here all the way down to my forehead. Alright, can you see what I'm doing? So I'm combing as I'm holding it because I want to be really neat. Really neat. See what I'm doing, guys? Combing it backwards. Okay. So I'm gonna hold it there for a few minutes because I don't want it to slip. Now that's down. So I'm going to, this bit is just fluffy, and there's some doing it. It's not neatly straightened properly. And then I'm gonna create the hairs at the front. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pin this off now. This bit is more like covered. These are big hairs, these are big hairs. It's done. So, like, what? Once I have my makeup on, like, oh, you down? Oh, you down? So I'm gonna put my hair in the middle. Now I'm gonna use this 5 rod. It's called rods. Yeah, I'm gonna do a rod set. So I've got 5 rods. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with the finished result. It wasn't even recording. What the heck? Anyways, alright, so I feel like I shouldn't even be sleeping with this overnight because look at that. It's lifted. Anyways, I feel like doing these styles, I can't sleep with it on because it doesn't get as neat. Take down everything. Smells nice. Okay. It looks a bit brownish now, like brownish and goldish color, which is cute. Come on, boy. The bird's gonna die. Oh my gosh, Kevin's hurry up. Why can't the bird die already? I mean, next I'm gonna fit the back. I feel like I'm gonna loosen up the back because it's too tight. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I actually love this colour. I'm not liking how these curls have come up. I think I curled it wrong. I've curled it wrong because the curl I did before, the curl that I did before was much better. You know what? Okay, I don't even like what is this curl doing? Like what? She be like maybe here somewhere doing something. Like what are you doing? No way. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I want to say the fail, but you know, we did something. I mean, I did something, and it's very light and soft as well. But